What is up, guys? It's your man Jay, and today marks a special day because I got my triple drivers in, the Bluetooth version from One More. Be sure to hit the link in the description. These are the latest joints. I think you're really going to be impressed with what you see with these. So first, I'm going to crack this box open and give you a once-over. You know how their presentation is. You know it's fantastic, so you know that you're going to get a nice unboxing experience. So let's get it open. Trusty knife. I love the presentation from One More. You always get a beautiful box. So just look at this thing. It's crazy. Now this one has the flap on it here. So it opens up, and like tradition, you get all the information about the earbuds. Okay, so these are the triple drivers. Now, one thing I've been hearing lately is that the triple driver versions, you know, the wired versions that I have, that those sound better than the quad driver versions, but I'm using it with the G8, and the G8 is awesome with the DAC. So either way, I'm getting some quality sound. So let's see if there's anything else to cut on here. Nope. Oh, I love their presentation. I love it. This is just presentation at its best. And I know what you're probably thinking, well, Jay, those cost $179 or $180, basically almost $200. They better have good presentation, and you will be right. So you can see the setup of the box here. You can see I can probably just pull right here and start getting these out. Up here. These feel really, really good. By the way, they're very lightweight. So before we get into the content of the box, take a look at these things, man. Oh, just look at this. Triple drivers. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful set of earbuds. Oh man, it's crazy. So this part that goes around your neck is super lightweight. I mean, really, really lightweight. So right here, you've got some controls. Let me get my glasses. You've got a volume up and down. This is the left side. And you've got a pause play button right there. And you've got a power button right there. And on this side, this is your right side, there is nothing. You got some branding on the outside right here. And that is Boss. These are super lightweight, folks. And I have a lot of earbuds like this that are over the ear. And those are lightweight. Now in regular fashion from One More, you get a great box. I don't think there's anything in here. Nope. And then here is what I'm talking about. Every earbud, every size. This is like the ultimate unboxing experience. That's probably what I'm going to title this video. The ultimate unboxing of the One More triple driver Bluetooth earbuds. That's going to be too long of a title. But you get what I'm saying. All the sizes here, man. Crazy. All there. Adjust your ear size. So you got that, right? And then on this side here should be your power cable for charging. Yep, you get a little Type-C cable right there. It's pretty cool. It's the flat design, so it's definitely gonna be up to date with the Type-C there. And on this side, what do you have in here? What's in here? I bet it's a little pouch or something. Oh yes. One More gives a pouch. I mean, for the price though, let's be real though, these are expensive, but you're getting some quality. Look at this pouch right here. Oh, buddy. Look at this with the One More branding on there. It's like a soft touch, shiny, might be a little bit leather. To store them in, boss move, boss move. Then you get some branding down here. And of course you get the One More stickers. Oh, you only get one in this one. And you get the materials that we're not going to read. We might read them. We might read them. We're not going to read these. Let's get this back in here. And you got this little pamphlet right here, a little color pamphlet, which is pretty sweet. And this is going to show you some more One More things here that you have that you can grab. And I have the triple drivers and I have the quad drivers. I have both of these already. And now I'm just adding these to the collection. And let's put my bag in, because I'm probably not gonna keep, actually, you know what? Fun fact, real quickly, fun fact. You know what it is, right? You know I'm a neat freak. So when I'm not using anything, when I'm not using my other I think I'm currently using the 4 quad drivers, I put everything back in the box real neat. I think it just makes for a better organization. And the fact that they give you this, since you're paying all that money, we're going to close this up because I'm going to be taking these on a trip with me here. I'm going out of town, so these will be the ones I take. The fact that they're giving you this premium case, why not use it? Why throw this away? And if you have as many things as I have, you're going to love it. So the triple driver thing, here you get 1 dynamic driver and then 2 balance armatures. So basically a whole bunch of gibberish that you probably don't understand. If you're not an audiophile, these are going to sound good. How about that? Good enough for you? There you go. Triple driver in-ear. I'm wondering how these are going to sound with the G8, and I am about to find out with you, because I'm going to fire these up and hook them to the G8. Oh, forgot to take this little tag off. I'm going to fire these up, hook them to the G8, and we are going to be golden. So let's get this party going. Like Android Stud would say, what's up, party people? Let's get it going. I'm going to use these for a little bit, and then I'll be back. Now, real fast, when you're pairing these up, you just turn on your Bluetooth, and you go ahead and press right here. When you hold down the power button, just continue to hold it down, and then it'll go into pairing mode. Pretty simple. That's how it is for most Bluetooth things. Now, these actually talk when you have them in your ear. So I put them in my ear. I actually have them in my ear right now. So if it sounds like I'm talking a little loud, that's probably why. Let me take one of them out. But these actually talk in your ear. You'll hear like pairing, all these different things. And it's telling you right here now, you can experience better sound quality using LADC. apx HD is involved in here. So we'll see how these work with the G8. Remember, the G8 has a plug-in DAC. So I got to go to Bluetooth settings. It says for the best quality sound, go to type Bluetooth device. Okay, so we're going to do that. But yeah, these are going to be pretty nice. So it's letting you hear now. It's got the most stable connection. You can go to best sound quality, and this is how you change it right here. So you go into the settings for the Bluetooth, and you change it to best sound quality. And that is how you get the proper sound from these earbuds. As you can see, the battery's at 90%. So we're gonna, and the battery shows up here in the top of the box up there. So we're gonna see what these sound like. I'm gonna test them out right now, and I'll be back to give you some sense of what they sound like. Now, you know that with the G8, you can go into sound and go into settings, and you go here, but this is when you're plugged in. Yeah. So as you can see now, the high quality DAC, the hi-fi DAC is not in working order right now because we're not plugged in. But let's see how these triple drivers sound in Bluetooth, and I'll be back in just a little bit. I don't know how you did it. One more. You get one more. I don't know how you did it. Honestly, for real, for real. These things sound like I'm actually plugged in. Now, I'm getting ready to test without the high quality part turned on through Bluetooth and see if there's a big difference. Because right now, it's ridiculous. So let's go into Bluetooth. And then I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to turn that setting off. So right now it's set to best sound quality. I'm going to turn it off and turn it to stable. And I'm going to listen to some music again real quick. Yeah. It's not much difference, but you can tell there's like, it's almost like less bass, if you will. But wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So, how do they feel? In the ear, they feel great.
They feel fantastic. So, excuse me.
Real world truth. Is the price a little high? Yes. The truth. The price is a little high. However, if you've been using any of the One More earbuds and earphones, you know the type of quality that you're going to get. I have 3 pair, and these are the latest ones coming from them, the wireless. This is my first Bluetooth from One More. Man, I swear I'm plugged in on my G8. I swear I'm plugged in on the G8. They are that powerful. What don't I like about them? There's no way. These have like no magnetic. They just hang. That is not my favorite. And unless I'm missing something, I don't feel any kind of magnets. That's the only thing I can find that I really don't like right now. Oops. Checked me right on the video. Look at this. It was up by the edge. But is this secure? It is secure. And it's pretty strong. So, real talk. Problem solved, I guess. Magnets would have been boss. But I just happened to slide my hand down. Hey, I didn't have my glasses on, okay? Don't judge me, all right? They're sitting on the desk. I should have been more attentive. I know. Excitement, man. I'm excited. Truth. So it's your man, Jay. Hit the link in the description if you want to pick up yours. And I will see you guys in the next video. You need to get these.